Hey guys, Katie Lane with Velours Floral Design. Today we're going to be talking how to build your wedding website using Squarespace. This is a paid platform, but if you want to check it out, they do a free 14-day trial while you can kind of play around with it. If you don't like it, you can scrap it and you don't have to pay. So, but after the 14 days, if you do want the website to stay, you would have to pay. So I'm going to help you learn how to change the words and put new buttons in, put your registry in there, and how people RSVP and all of that. So if this is a video that you're interested in, please stick around. Give this video a like if this is something that's helpful for you. Subscribe for more videos on wedding tips and flowers designs. So let's get in. I'm not sponsored by Squarespace. I'm just, this is the website platform that I used for my wedding website when I got married 3 years ago, and it was fairly easy, so I want to bring you along and show you how you can change everything and use templates and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in Squarespace wedding website and click this link down here, and it'll take you to this page, and you just want to click get started. And once you're here, you'll see there are a lot of templates you can choose from. You can kind of go for one that has your vibe. We're just going to click on this one up here for now. And once you're there, you'll see you can get a guided step-by-step tour, or you can go to editor. I'm just going to go to editor for this video. And this is what our website looks like when we start. You notice the upgrade now at the bottom. When you first start, you have a 14-day trial. Otherwise, you will have to upgrade after 14 days to keep the site after you're done editing. We're going to start with changing out these photos. You click on pages and you'll see all of your little sections down here. If you click these little gears, you can go to media and you can swap out the images for your own. You can see right here, press the gear. We can swap out this image, just right here. You can push remove image and insert your own. And just like that. See, this one's blank, so this one doesn't have a photo in it, but you could put a photo underneath by going to media and inserting a photo. Or you can add your own section. Click add section, add a blank page. Or you could put a gallery, whatever you want to do. You could push the gear and the same thing. You just go to media and insert your own photo. It'll bring you to your downloads, or you can click on your photos or whatever you want to do. Just insert one of my wedding photos right here and we'll show you what it looks like. Takes a second to load. Save. And then ta-da! And then while you're there, you can push edit over that portion, and you can insert your own text. So you can add text right there, push this little dot, and you can add anything you want in here. So if you want to add text, you just click it and type hi or something like that. And you can reformat this however you will. We'll talk about that right now. So let's go to this top section right here and let's change this date. So we can go to edit and it'll bring us to our editing screen, and we can just click on our date right here. And we can change this to October. Super easy and simple. And then just save. Let's go try something else. If we come down here to accommodations, we can see that there's some hotels in here. So let's add our own. Let's click right up here and we'll add our own text, but it's in the wrong spot. Let's move it to the middle. So then you move it and you drag and see that line, that's where it'll put it. Then you can type the information in the text box And then maybe we want to add a button underneath as well. Let's add this hotel right here. Now let's add a button right underneath it. Obviously you can try to make it match. And then the button right here. And we can make it match our other one by typing view in this section. You can put your own URL right there straight to the hotel. And now if we go over to design over here, we can go to site styles. And this will bring us to a place where we can change the coloring of everything. And you can see all the different sections that you can change colors, fonts, background color, all that good stuff. But we want to change the color of our button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on it. I'm going to click right here on my button. And it'll bring it up right here. So I can change everything just about that button in this section. To change the color, we're going to just go right here, and you can press anywhere on the wheel. You can go to different shades. And if you don't like what you chose, oh dear, you can reset. Look at that. And so I'm going to push that. I'm just going to change it to black, just like our other ones. Yay, now it kind of matches, but look, it's the wrong size. So let's go back over here, push edit, and I'm going to push small. And now we've got matching. Obviously, I don't have all the information for my hotel, but we'll get there. Sweet. After you've saved that, let's go up here to our site title, and you can click on it and push edit on over that section. Each section has their own edit button. And so then you can be like, our wedding, yay. You could even add a logo if you wanted to. We're not going to do that today. Now that we've done that, let's go click on RSVP over here, because that's definitely a part of this whole process. And you can see that they've got their own little form, and we can edit this to accommodate your wedding specifically. So you click on edit, and you can see all the different sections. You can add your own sections, and it'll look like this. And you can add everything. Super easy, you guys. And you can change the words and the formats of these. So let's say we want to add a checklist for food, the food items. So we're going to add a checklist. And we're going to put in this little box right here our options. So we're going to put chicken and beef. How about that? Sweet. Not going to add anything else, and let's push apply. Done. Sweet, it's right there. And look over here, you guys. Go to storage. You can set it up with your Google Drive. This is what I did. And so you click that and you sync it to your Google account. And every time somebody fills this form out, it'll go straight to your Google Drive and keep it in a nice spreadsheet for you. So I would highly recommend doing it that way. See, all connected. Then just press save on everything, and we are good with that section. Obviously, you can change your pictures over here too, same way we did before. All right, so the last step we're going to work on is setting up your registry. So if you click on the registry, you can see that they have Zola right here. They're partnered with Zola, so that's a really easy account that if you do your registry through them, it'll sync right up with Squarespace like this with the images and all of that. But if you already have other registries, you can add a button like before. So we're going to go over here and we're just going to click on a button, and you're going to say where the registry is leading, or just put registry, go to my registry, and you can put the link to your the site that you registered, either your honey fund or your Target registry or whatever you want to do. So you could do Zola and then just do all those other places as well if you wanted to, just so it's all in one location. And once you have your registries in, you just push save and you are complete and ready to go. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And subscribe to this channel for wedding tips and tricks and flower videos and all those good things. So we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and also, my wedding planning guide, you can click the link in the description below and you can get your free copy of my wedding timeline, and there's a groom's checklist, as well as my flower checklist right here. You can check off all of the different flower items that you might want and bring it to your florist. And there is a wedding budget, which is a separate link, and I will have that in the description box below as well. See you guys later.